Generally, when an order comes from a court, many people try to express their own expert opinions on court orders. However, court orders depend on documents and evidence. In case of environmental pollution, it is the pollution control bodies that mostly provide reports, documents, and information crucial for environmental justice. Today I am discussing one such report. The Punjab Pollution Control Board (PPCB) has submitted a report to the National Green Tribunal (NGT). The NGT has uploaded the report on its website today. The report relates to original application number 173 of 2023 in the matter of Salabjit Singh versus State of Punjab and others. The report is in the public domain. Still, I think it is important to discuss some important points, which everyone should know, including the PPCB and the industry concerned. So, have a glance. You watch this video till the end to know some interesting points. The complainant has alleged that a company under the name of Nectar Lifesciences Limited at village Haibatpur, Tehsil Derabashi district, SAS Nagar, Mohali, Punjab, was discharging highly polluted chemical effluents in agricultural field, causing damage to crops and land. But in the entire 80 pages, there is hardly any deliberation on the soil impact study. The report shows that the NGT has issued directions in the order dated 5th March 2024 to the Member Secretary PPCB to initiate action and seek explanation from the officers concerned who, despite having knowledge that the industry Nectar Lifesciences does not have consent to operate CTO, have not taken any action in accordance with the law. Now you see what the Member Secretary PPCB replies to the NGT. The industry was granted consent to operate CTO under Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974 and Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1981 on 1st December 2023 for 2 months up to 31st January 2024. The report does not say whether it was a CTO under trial or for trial production. If for a full-fledged production, why 2 months? Why 2 months? On 18th January 2024, Nectar Lifesciences applies for CTO renewal. On 24th January 2024, PPCB returned the application stating that it was incomplete. Industry failed to resubmit the applications for renewal of consents to operate or CTOs. PPCB serves SOCA's notice on 8th February 2024. Nectar Lifesciences applies for renewal of consents to operate on 14th February 2024. And on 28th February, in 14-15 days, the application was processed. There was some kind of error in the online application system. So it was processed on 28th February 2024 by the PPCB. Meanwhile, PPCB conducts 2 inspections and on 15th March 2024 refused the consent with an opportunity of hearing to the industry, to Nectar Lifesciences, before the chairman of the PPCB, and a date was fixed on 22nd March 2024. There were several inspections, monitoring, and finally on 2nd May 2024, PPCB granted CTO to Nectar Lifesciences Unit 2 located in village Haibatpur, Deravasi, and the CTO was for 75% of its installed capacity. This is a point to note, 75% of the installed capacity. And the member secretary PPCB says that the reply given by the officer is under consideration of the board and will be decided in due course of time. Please note that the NGT issued directions on 5th March 2024 to the member secretary PPCB to initiate action against the officers concerned. The PPCB has submitted some analysis reports. some analysis results rather. As usual, BDL, which apparently means below detection limit. But what is the detection limit? Why don't these people make a practice of giving the figure? In terms of sludge disposal, PPCB has given a clean sheet to the industry, but without any supporting evidence or supporting documents. Here is a part of groundwater monitoring results. One very good thing is that PPCB has given the depths of the tube wells. The parameter selection criteria is not so clear. TSS in groundwater may not be an issue, but what about turbidity? No data. And another important thing, in fact, I am sharing a link in the description. You can have a glance. What was the running condition of the tube wells when the samples were drawn? If you draw the samples in a continuously running tube well or bore well, the result will be different. So, there is a guideline by the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change on this. Was that guideline followed? You watch this video till the end. This is a water audit report. Surprisingly, the water audit report does not include water balance. It talks about material balance in one place. These days, we have certified, India has certified water auditors properly trained by the institutions under the Ministry of Jal Shakti. However, it's PPCB state on what ground and what are the aims and objective to carry out the water audit and prepare such a report. Another important point here I would like to raise is the CGWA NOC, Central Groundwater Authority. Date of issue of NOC 8th April 2009. The NOC was conditional and was with a validity of 2 years. If it's not revalidated, then the NOC is invalid and Nectar Lifesciences is in another violation and deserves penal action, maybe environmental compensation needs to be framed against the company, against Nectar Lifesciences. I would like to raise one more point here. You watch this video till the end. The PPCB report highlights that there are a lot of problems related to fly ash from the industry. It has 2 boilers of capacity 40 TPH each, 40 ton per hour each. But the fuel is not prominently stated. PPCB has used a term SPM, which is technically substandard and legally inaccurate. The correct term is particulate matter. Now you can see under the prescribed standards, it is written 150 milligram per nm cube, normal meter cube. But here you can see the latest standards issued by the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change on 16th May 2023. If the boilers are running on agro-based fuels or bagasse, the prescribed standards is 250 milligram per nm cube. And for other fuels, the prescribed standards become 100 milligram per nm cube. But nowhere it is 150 milligram per nm cube. So what kind of report is it submitted by a member secretary of a pollution control board, and can we expect environmental justice on this basis, on the basis of such reports? That's all in this episode. Thank you for watching.